How can you not love this? It is a privilege to grow sunflower all year round in this place. This is the second batch of sunflowers that I have planted this year, 2026. So I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons why you should plant sunflower. I am planting this sunflower on the flowers section of the garden. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I plant a lot of things, and this is the section where I just group together flowers like plumeria, tuberose, sunflower, bougainvilleas, plumeria pudica, and a lot more. And this is the first batch of sunflowers that I planted earlier this year. Of course, the primary reason, it's for the looks. No need to explain how beautiful sunflowers are. They stand tall, unforgiving with their flowers, and they attract a lot of pollinators. Each stages of the sunflower as they open gives you a different look. They are also resilient to bugs and other insects that usually harms your garden. They are not that a problem on that pest part. You may already noticed here, this is in a potted container, or this is just planted in a container, although ideally it should be direct soil or in a raised bed. And if you have livestock, the seeds of the sunflower can be used to feed them as well, or maybe depending on the variety, you could also roast them and eat them. And this particular sunflowers gives out a secondary flower, which is so cool. For this variety, not every sunflower gives out the subflower though, just to be honest. By the way, if I was not able to mention, this is no new seed. This is, I think, the 3rd or 4th time I have planted this variety here because it's suited in this climate. Therefore, if you live in a place where just space is limited, this is one of those flowers or plants that you can grow. They are fast growing. Have I mentioned that? Yes, this is another reason why you should plant them. I started them off as a seed there in the square container, and then I transferred them into this white container as their permanent growing pot. If I'm not mistaken, this is like 3 weeks after I transfer them into this white individual pots for them to grow. And yes, don't worry, they can be very forgiving. They are not your wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, husbands. If you neglect them, they can take a hit, and that is the one of the best thing about this variety, at least, that even if they've been with typhoon and the monsoon and the extreme heat and the limited soil in the pot, they can still grow and they can still give out those beautiful flowers. If you are experimenting or you wanted to introduce gardening as a hobby to someone, could be to your children, could be to your students, or anybody that is just starting to garden, this is one of the best things that you can introduce or you can share to them. Sunflowers, not expensive to buy as a seed pocket. I will give free sunflower seeds if you are here in the island from this sunflower. Hopefully they are still viable and you have something to look forward to. It's just a kind of gift that keeps on giving. If you have experience planting sunflowers, please give your comments below. If you are still about to plant sunflowers, don't hesitate to ask your question on the comments section below. Thank you so much. This has been a very wonderful journey, taking them from the little square box to individual pots and just using recycled soil, and still was able to survive the monsoon and giving up like this beautiful flowers. It's just amazing. I'll probably plant more next year for sure as cut flowers. You have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please hit like. See you next time. Bye.